At CVTE, we believe technology should simplify life, enhance efficiency, and foster connection. Our mission is to enable smarter communication, boost knowledge sharing, and build a better future for all. Leading innovation since 2005, delivering cutting-edge solutions in electronics and intelligent applications across various industries. Today, our industry-leading expertise in LCD controller boards has established us as a trusted partner in global technology ecosystems. We've allocated significant investments to build a cutting-edge manufacturing base, enhancing our capabilities in automation, flexible manufacturing, and digital factories. Our advanced digital factories integrate real-time data to optimize production and quality control. From high-precision product manufacturing to fast delivery systems, CVTE ensures the highest standards with traceable and reliable solutions. With over 8,000 patents and a substantial investment in R&D, we are committed to creating the future today. Our research institutes and engineering teams are dedicated to solving tomorrow's challenges. CVTE excels in 7 core capabilities of intelligent manufacturing, automation, flexible production, high-precision product output, system traceability, fast delivery, and advanced quality control. These strengths enable us to lead the industry and collaborate effectively with our partners across the entire supply chain. CVTE is at the forefront of innovation, bringing people closer together and making smarter collaboration a reality. Together, we are crafting a smarter, more connected world. CVTE, where innovation meets the future.